So until the fire is getting ready, I'm trying to make some sticks for cooking my lunch. Okay, I had my lunch and I took a break, but the problem is about the temperature. The weather is extremely hot. It's in the middle of summer, despite we are in the mountain in the highest elevation, but still the temperature is high and it's literally annoying. I put my hat and try to protect my skin against the sunshine, but I have to do that because I promised myself to make a video today. Cheers guys, let's continue. Hello. Thank you. So fortunately, sun is going down and almost my job is done. I could build my primitive shelter alone and I will have a deep sleep into it, I'm sure about it. Actually, I don't think that a sleeping bag will be required since the weather is extremely hot, and just maybe I use it as a blanket. This is my dinner, very simple but delicious. When I go for camp, like tonight, at the beginning of the night I feel a little bit scary because the light is gone and I don't see something in ahead clearly. But after sometimes, when I get used to it, it will be amazing, guys. Really will be amazing. So, how do you feel when you go for camping? What do you do if you scare? Comment down below, please. Now it's time to say goodbye to my shelter.